This scarce 1,200 square foot, 2-bedroom 2-bathroom corner unit sits on the serene South Fork Middle River in Wilton Manors. The sought-after first-floor unit has the largest floor plan in Manor Grove Village Phase 4. It comes equipped with hurricane impact doors and windows, including the door to the building. Beautiful 24-inch tile and crown molding throughout the entire unit. The large windows fill up the condo with natural lighting. The floor plan allows you to chat with family and friends while preparing meals in this spacious kitchen. The kitchen comes equipped with plentiful cabinets for storage, a large pantry, and newer kitchen appliances. Down the hallway you will find a gorgeous master suite, with a spacious closet and master bath. The master bathroom has a walk-in shower and a large vanity. Family and guests can enjoy privacy in the spacious guest bedroom. Like the master bathroom, the guest bath has a walk-in shower and a large vanity. Enjoy views of the garden from your private screen in patio. Manor Grove Village has plenty of activities including a pool table, shuffleboard, pickleball, and more. Plan a birthday party or private event in Manor Grove's beautiful clubhouse. The tennis court sits on the edge of the neighborhood, surrounded by greenery and serene nature. Relax by the pool in your downtime, or cool off from the beautiful Florida sunshine. The laundry room is in the building, with commercial-grade washer and dryers. Manor Grove Village provides bike racks for you and your guests. Enjoy the tranquil sights and sounds of the South Fork Middle River. Manor Grove Village is an impeccably maintained community. Hoa Maintenance takes care of everything outside of your condo, including the landscaping. Just a block away from Wilton Drive with outstanding dining, bars, and shops. Nearby Art District, beautiful beaches and downtown Fort Lauderdale.